Hi, welcome to Kyung's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share brand new recipe that Law inspired me a few months ago called the mung bean noodle salad. Okay, you may want to know what is mung bean noodle. It's made from the mung bean, but we call the mung bean thread. And you can get it from any Oriental market or go to Amazon, they have it. I need a smaller package like this, about 1.41 ounce. Once you open this package, it will look like this. Really thin noodle. You will need 2 packages. So I'm boiling water. You need about 4 cups water, and then put it in the boiling water. Once you cook, it turns like a glass. And you need to cook for 5 minutes, and then continue to boiling. So I'm going to set the timer, and I will come back to show you what to do next. So don't go away. Welcome back. Mung bean thread cook for 5 minutes, and after you cook, put it in the strainer and rinse it completely with the cold water. Okay, so here it is. I call the thread. This is mung bean, so they are long. So you need to cut about 3 inches long. So it's so much easier to eat that way. The mung bean is high in protein, fiber, and high in antioxidant, and very low in fat. From here, you will need half cucumber. I put it like a cut, like a match thin size. So about this small. So I'll show you. With cucumber, you need to cut it slice thin. Then just continue. Oh, I couldn't cut it with gloves. They're too big. So make a pretty thin right there. Okay, next you will need a half red bell pepper and slice really thin. We're gonna all mix to the mung bean thread size. And next you will need half medium size onion and slice thin as well. And cucumber, such a good for your muscle, ligament, and tender, very high in vitamin C and vitamin A, so good for your eyes, skin. Next, you will need 2 green onions and chop it. And 2 garlic and mince it. Next one, you will need 3 tablespoons and unfermented soy sauce. And there are several kinds, but I like the black liquid amino. This is unfermented soy sauce. You can get it from any health food store or Amazon. Next one, need 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And this is unrefined oil. And 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seed. So when you see sesame oil and the sesame seed, this is more like an Oriental salad. and 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flake. Then you're gonna mix it with the hand. So you know, we are in the middle of the hot summer. So this will make a wonderful, wonderful whole meal and very delicious. So take time to mix it thoroughly. Then onions contains antioxidant and fight for inflammation in your body and lower cholesterol. Fight for a lot of things. You know, even if you say high in antioxidant, it will kill the cancer cell in your body. All right. Looks so good. So let me go and put it on the plate so you can see it. And you just put it on plate and serve. Looks really good. I love this pasta salad. But we don't use any mayonnaise, but I use all the delicious seasoning to make it really delicious. So taste and see that the Lord is good. Well, thank you for watching. If you'd like to have a written recipe, and click in the description and you will have a whole written recipe. Now we're gonna share the close-up finished photo at the end of the cooking show. So thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.